Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to move an email from spam to the inbox in Yahoo Mail. You may find a legitimate email has ended up in your spam folder in Yahoo Mail, so let's fix that and make sure future emails from that sender land in your inbox. So first of all, open the Yahoo Mail app on your device and sign into your account. You can also go ahead and open up Yahoo Mail account on a web browser and sign in. Either way, once you're logged into the home page, go to the inbox drop-down at the bottom left corner and tap on it, and in the pop-up, click on spam. Inside the spam field, you will see the emails that you have added or marked as spam. If you believe that one of the email is legitimate and want to move it to your inbox, then go ahead and press hold the email and click on not spam. Soon after you do that, the selected email will move back to your inbox. So that's how super easy it is. You'll then be able to find the email in your inbox again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.